Good morning, students. Today I'm going to start new chapter, and it is conservation of plants and animals. Okay, in this we will learn about conservation of plants and animals. I hope you know the meaning of conservation. Okay, and the topic is deforestation and its causes. All right, first we will learn about deforestation and about the causes of deforestation. All right, see, in the conservation of plants and animals, deforestation play a very lead role, you can say, because it is causing the trouble to our nature or to our ecosystem. Okay, see, what is deforestation? The clearing of forest and using the land for various purposes is termed as deforestation. You all know about it, that the cutting down of trees on a large scale is termed as deforestation. Okay, and why we do deforestation, you will learn in this video. Okay, that what are the main causes for deforestation. Okay, so clearing of forest, you can say, or clearing of woods is known as deforestation, and it is responsible for survival threat, the survival threat we are facing these days, or the survival threat many endangered species they are facing these days. Okay, it is responsible, it is because of deforestation. So what are the causes? See, first cause is the rapid urban development, developing cities and homes, okay, and towns. All right, and their development is on a fast rate, is one of the cause for deforestation, because most of the time governments they used to just cut down the forest for the urban development. Okay, second cause is agriculture related purposes. See, we do need fruits also, vegetables and pulses and all the crops we do need, so that we can eat them, we can have them, because we are surviving, because we are taking the food. Okay, so food is necessary for all the population of people, so we need agriculture also. And if we do agriculture, so we need to cut down trees also. Okay, so agricultural related purposes also, they are also one of the cause of deforestation. Another one is fuel requirement. See, there are many villages, and in many villages and in many places, mostly people are still they are depend on woods, or on these tree woods for fuel. Okay, uh, these days we are using gas stoves, okay, LPG cylinders, but in villages still people are depend on wood, tree wood for fuel. All right, next is setting up industries. Okay, on a large scale, industries are setting up. There are mining industries, textile industries, clothing industries, and petroleum industries. Number of industries are there which are setting up, and they need a large amount of area. Okay, huge area they need, they required. So which is also one of the cause for deforestation, because of them also trees are being cutted down. All right, another cause is making furniture. For making furniture, people used to cut down trees on large scale. Okay, another one is natural causes like forest fires. These are natural causes now. Forest fires, droughts, etc., these are also responsible for deforestation, because after forest fires and droughts also, trees are they are enrooted, okay, from the soil. So these are the causes of deforestation. I hope you have understood.